For today I have another unboxing. It is also a plotting machine. It was sent from Hong Kong to Sofia. As you can see, through DHL. It is a more professional machine than the previous one. This is the package. It has some stamps. I'm sure that nobody cares about the stamps. First of all, I'm curious what is inside. Let's start unpacking. Okay. This one is much better. I saw some reviews about it. It should be much more serious. Okay. This is what we have. Also, quick starter guide, software manual. I'm going to check them. It is iDraw pen plotter. Very nice. Some tools which will be needed for the assembling. Some pre-assembled parts. The cabling is partially done. Okay. I suppose this one is for the servo. Sunglasses for the laser engraver. Some more tools. Power supply. They have a postcard, very nice. Let me check. Detail for the purchase. Some thank you package. Okay. As it was shown, this machine is partially assembled, which should make running the machine much easier than purely do-it-yourself machines. I suppose it's going to work from the first time. Okay. You see, we have the stepper motor here. What is nice for this machine is that it has 5 stepper motors. It means 2 stepper motors for each axis, and the Z is also stepper motor. It is not like the other machines which are mainly with servo motor. Okay. The other one looks very good. It is written that it is the X axis. It is the Z motor. It is smaller one. We should put like this. The tension is from springs, and this is the way how it is going to move. Okay. Final part should be the laser engraver. Let's check. It has extra packaging. Tomorrow. Okay. Yes, this is the engraver. I'm curious why it doesn't have second power supply, but we will check. Okay, this is the engraver. It is written that it is 15 watts. It doesn't have protection cap, which is not very good. It has some switch. And the connection, 12 volts, ground. Okay. Those are all the parts. Let me check the power supply. 12 volts. 60 watts. I'm not very confident how it's going to supply the laser, but we will see. X motor, contact switches. Okay. This one. Interesting. Okay. Tools. It seems I have almost everything prepared for the assembling, but the assembling will be done in another video. Let's have fun with reading the documentation.